Make a great choice today with the 2017 Volvo S90. The Volvo S90 provides style, safety, and reliability all in one. The smooth ride gets you where you need to go in comfort with the interior features many amenities not found in other vehicles. The quality reputation of Volvo is evident in this vehicle and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, navigation system, low tire pressure warning. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.